Now we are going to cook our lahmacun. It is Turkish pizza, but original name is lahmacun. When you go to the Turkish restaurant and when you open menu, you will see first this food in the menu. Now you can cook in your kitchen. What we need, I have to go to the bazaar, Turkish bazaar, to buy all ingredients for you. We are in the summer. We have really nice red tomato, green and red Charleston pepper, onion, and lemon. Lemon is very important, you know. We need parsley. This is our vegetables. So, for spicy, what we need? I want to tell you size. This is dessert spoon, 2 pieces of pepper paste, 2 spoon tomato paste. I think it is like this size, 200 gram olive oil. This is, we call it teaspoon. It is small one. 2 pieces of red pepper, 2 pieces of dry red pepper. Dry red pepper. We need the salt for our flour, 1 spoon, small spoon of flour, 2 stick sugar. You see the size, flour. We had just 3 glass of flour. We need 1¼ water for our starch and 300 gram beef, mincemeat. Okay? I need some place. I want to remove all this and I want to start to work. I like to last touch. You want to make like this softer starch. If you think it is not enough or if it's too much, you can add water or you can add some more flour. I add a bit of more flour and you can see how it's soft. It is ready. When we work the other ingredients, it will take a time to rest. Our man is here, look. I think you remember from my other video, I call him like a man, big man. it is really hard. You can ask me, you doesn't have a machine? Yes, I have. But can you hear? Can you hear? I like it. I really enjoy work with this. So if you work as this, you can be very soft and relaxed. You can think when it's raining, you are with your darling and you sit in somewhere in a romantic place and rain is singing nice for you. When I cut it, I feel it. Just I don't have my darling nearby. And if you cut with big knife, well, not with the machine, of course it will be very tasty and more rich flavor, rich taste. So you think it is finished? No. If you want something nice, you must work very hard. And I'm going to work very hard. My tomato. Cut our parsley, small piece as others. It is juicy, what we need. So enough juicy and nice. So I would like to cut a bit of more and it will be ready. Our flowers, our vegetables will be ready. Look my vegetables. When I start, how was look like, but now when they meet with Baba, father, how's going? Look, very juicy and nice. So now we're going to mix other ingredients. Second part. Follow me. Come. we are in second part. I take my meat in a cup. So olive oil, I mix up. 2 spoon pepper paste, 2 spoon tomato paste, and 1 and 2 pinch dry red pepper, and 1 and 2 big pinch red pepper. My pinch is big. If you have a small pinch, take some more. Just a little salt. I add small salt, little salt, because my pepper paste and my tomato paste was enough salty. So now, what is it? What I'm doing? Where's my hand? I mix it. When you buy your meat, it must be minced meat. Quarter is, if possible, buy some fat in your minced meat. Quarter must be fat. So now it's nice. Look. So I go to take others. It is heavy with juicy. Okay, oops. So we go back because this part is more clean. We mix all. It's really nice. I'm very hungry because today I wake up early. I visit Grand Bazaar, not Grand Bazaar, nearby my home. We have a local bazaar in the city. You can find all fresh vegetables, fruits, olive oil, cheese, mushroom. What you need for your life, you can find everything, and everything is very fresh. So I wake up in the morning, didn't take very strong breakfast, and I buy very fresh and very nice vegetables for you. And after that, I drive my car and I came to Istanbul in my restaurant and I start the work. So I'm very hungry. I must be very rush and hurry. So it is enough. When you take it on your hand, if it's to like this, it means it is enough. If you think it is not going like this, you can add a bit of water, because you will see when we take all our ingredients, when we put on our in our bread, it must be like this. You will see. Okay. Now, when we are working for our flour, can wait and take a rest. This is very dangerous gun in Turkey. You can ask me how. If woman angry to man at home, it's really dangerous, and she can fight him with this. But it is on my hand. So, look, it's nice. And now I will take it and I will share it with a small piece. How can I make it? I want to tell you. How can you make small piece? You can make it like this, and you can cut it like this. Okay? Make it. Look. So, just a second. When you eat this food, lahmacun, in the restaurant, they have big one. But I give you my recipe. You can make it at your home, small one. please open your oven before I start to cook. My oven must be very hot. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is big one. I take it like this. Okay. Now, hard time and enjoy time. It is enough. I told you you can have a big one, but my oven is small and I open small one for me. Okay, I take it here and it is waiting to other friends. My babies is ready, so our baby is ready and I want to take first piece in my cup. Look how it's looking. It is nice. So I take it in the oven. Please don't forget, open your oven before start to cook. It must be very hot, 225 degrees. Okay, so going in the oven. I told you 225 degrees, 7 or 6 minutes. 6 or 7 minutes. It is ready. Look, small, looking tasty. And I like to eat onion, some tomato, some parsley. I'm very hungry. Look how I'm quick. Because I'm very hungry. And onion. First, follow me. Take an onion, take a lemon on it. Oops, nice. After, you take it here. So, I add my onion. I add my parsley and tomato. After, I make a dürüm. You hear it? You hear it? And of course, Turkish tea. I eat.